everybody, today is Saturday, November 13th, 2021, and I'm with my parents. They're going up the ramp here at Moody Gardens down here in Galveston. This right here says the aquarium. There is an aquarium, there's a Rainforest Pyramid, and there's a couple of theaters and some shows. I won't be able to show you that stuff. There's also a paddle boat and some other stuff here. It's a huge complex. It's a little expensive. It's $50 for seniors and $60 for adults. I think kids might be $50 also. That includes everything. So I'm going to give you guys your own tour. This is a week before they start putting up their Christmas stuff. So hopefully there'll be a wheelchair for Dad. They do have free wheelchair access if you need it to get around. So come along and join us on this episode of The Most Epic Adventures. Here we go. Here is a map of the entire complex. I mean, it's huge. There's a lot of stuff you can do here. They've got a convention center and a hotel. I've actually been there before. There's a Colonel Paddleboat. We'll be doing that later. We're down here at the Aquarium Pyramid. This is where we get our tickets. They've got the Discovery Museum exhibit, the Rainforest Pyramid, the Amazon River exhibit. They have zipline rope courses. We're not going to go to that. I don't think they're opened. There's a marina. They have a water park over there. There's the hotel. They've got a Vietnam Veteran Memorial. So a lot of stuff here. And here is Galveston. We've had a lot of adventures here in Galveston. And this is where we're at now. And this is actually where we're staying. So we're pretty close to where we've been staying. And this is the Strand over here. And this is where people get on their the cruise ships. And here's Seawolf Park on Pelican Island, where we went to the USS Kavala. And this over here is where we saw the Alyssa. So if you haven't seen those videos, you got to check them out. I've gone dolphin watching out of here as well. I've given you a tour of the Strand before. All this stuff here in Galveston. See, I've been to the Galveston Railroad Museum. These are all the stuff, all the things that you might be interested in coming to in Galveston. So there's some of these places. I haven't been to the Ocean Star Drilling Rig Museum yet. So these are all things that I'll have coming up on the show.
Oh, we went to that Magic Carpet Putt.
Yeah, we did Magic Carpet Putt, but we didn't make a video of that. We just went and had fun.
Yeah.
So sometimes sometimes I do stuff and don't make videos. We just have fun. So, but we'll make a video for you guys today. And hopefully it'll still be fun. These painted turtles are all over the island, so it only makes sense that Moody Gardens would have their own. What is unusual is that this one is inside. Most of them are outside in the street. But they're doing this in December, the Cirque Joe holiday show. We might have to come back for that. There's your underwater. Got some tuna in the air. Dad's getting the tickets, and the guy's go get in a wheelchair for him. All right, so obviously we're in the Aquarium Pyramid now. Mom's pushing Dad around.
Oh, look at the turtles and the penguins.
Oh yeah. No, these are all penguins.
Putting on a little show.
It is a reproduction of an oil platform. The artificial reef that's created.
Oh, they're getting other than scared. That's why he's happy.
Yeah.
Whoa. They're fighting over it. Well, ago they were jumping up there and then jumping up and then.
Yeah, sea lions bark like that. Seals don't. Getting snippy.
No. They're playing. I'm going.
There's a seal. Sea lion. Another sea lion. Sea lion chase.
Now they go through the water, you know?
Yeah.
They're fighting or they're kissing.
Well, yeah, there's not much of a difference sometimes.
I don't trust them.
You don't trust them.
You don't trust them. I get that.
Here you can touch sea urchins. No, thank you.
Cool.
How much better get your food?
It's a big aquarium. So the best part is when you're walking out and they've got the giant aquarium here. I'm not even sure if that's it. I don't know, we have more. Thank you. All right, so we just watched the 4D Aquaman. They condensed the movie down to 18 minutes, which was all it really needed.
Yeah, it was cool.
But they would, there was special effects. So there was water that was splashed on us, wind on the back of our neck and on our leg, and every once in a while we get poked in the back. And it was fun. It was a much better way to see that movie, in my opinion.
Yeah, it was too drug out before, huh?
Yeah. So, all right. Well, they're already setting up some Christmas stuff here. Yeah, they got the poinsettia Christmas tree there. And this is the Mega 3D Theater over here. The giant screen 3D. Not allowed to call it IMAX anymore.
Yeah.
But Hidden Pacific, next showing at 12:25. So let's go ahead and do this. Yeah, sounds good.
Yeah.
All right. We saw the Hidden Pacific 3D giant screen, not IMAX. Used to be called IMAX. It was interesting. I started nodding off just because I'm not feeling too great.
Me too.
You started nodding off too. It was good. It was good. You learned a lot about some of the small places and the. So Moody Gardens is a public nonprofit educational destination utilizing nature in the advancement of rehabilitation, conservation, recreation, and research. There is the mission statement. Some cowboy fans. And we're going out to the Colonel Paddleboat next. We're going on a boat, y'all. Woo woo. Here is the Rainforest Pyramid. We will be venturing into that after the paddle boat. There you go. It is nice and humid in there. It is a really nice day here. It's a little chilly, not too bad. Beautiful landscaping. There's the Galveston Bay right there. There she is, the Colonel Paddleboat. Gonna take us on a little paddleboat adventure. You can see that they're already setting up here for the Festival of Lights. I've done this the past couple years. I'm not coming back for that. But anytime you get the opportunity to go on a paddle boat, you should do it. It's actually why we're here today. We didn't come here yesterday because they only do the paddle boats on Saturdays and Sundays right now. So, and if it's too windy, they won't go. It's a little windy, but it seems like it's not too bad. Obviously, if it's too bad, they wouldn't let us get on. So here we go. I'm excited. Definitely have to put our masks on for this one. Here we are, sitting inside the Colonel Paddleboat. This is the inside area here. Yeah. All right, my mask is all, my eyeglasses are all fogging up, so they're not enforcing the mask. Nobody else in here is wearing one, even though they're saying it's a federal law to be on this boat. But they also do dinner cruises. They're doing one tonight, and it's $90 a person. So we're not doing that. We're just gonna take the little cruise out onto the water. All right, we're on the second floor here of the Colonel Paddleboat. You may be asking, what colonel? What colonel is this named after? It's just named Colonel. No particular colonel. This is where you can purchase your photos that they made us take when we got on board. Upstairs seating area. So if you want to be up in the open air. There's the paddles for the Colonel Paddleboat. Life jacket's good. And they are closed. All right, Dad, we're moving.
Yeah.
We're grooving down the ocean.
Yep.
You can see the boats going out there. I don't know what kind of boat that is. Looks kind of like a Coast Guard boat. I think it's a party boat. This is the lake here in Galveston. It's the offshoot of the bay, but it is still salt water. We are staying inside because it's a little chilly and windy outside, isn't it, Mom?
Yeah, I took my jacket off because it's a little warm in here. We were walking up the hill to push the wheelchair man.
Dad's in the wheelchair today, but we're having an all right time.
Oh yeah, I'm enjoying it.
We saw a couple of cute little movies about nature.
Yep, returning this thing.
Wonder how long
Can't
is
see.
this for? How long is this cruise for?
I don't know.
Well, the next one's at 4 o'clock, so
Well, they don't do it the whole time.
probably about an hour, maybe.
Yeah.
there's information about different waterways and stuff. Well, it tells you right here. The waterway that the Colonel Paddleboat toured each day is called the Ofats Bayou. The story behind the name of the bayou is a matter of some dispute. Popular folklore says the name comes from people who took the train into Galveston and requested to be let off at the bayou. Most likely, though, it was named for either retired steamboat captain Horatio Offutt or prominent businessman E.L. Ufford. The likeness of both names to the phrase "off at the bayou" is probably the origin of an old joke which has now become legend. This bayou has been listed on geological surveys since at least 1837. However, the size and depth of Offat's Bayou is due to the enormous construction projects on Galveston in the early 1900s. The waterway was dredged to provide soil for most of the large construction projects after the 1900 storm, including Pelican Island, Fort Crockett, and the Galveston seawall. During World War II, the military dredged the bayou as a support project for the Galveston Air Base. The channel was dredged again in 1971. The bayou has become a popular area for local bird watching, sailing, and kayaking. The protected nature and size of the waterway makes it ideal for relaxed recreation.
Wow, that's a lot of information right there. We're sitting right by it.
I mean, there's information on all these,
Okay.
you know?
Sure is.
I hope you enjoyed my narration of the informational wall here.
It got chilly when they opened that door right there.
Got
Oh, you could just stick it on there.
got your people boating. You got some big houses over there. Beyond that, you have I-45. This is close to where it ends. It turns into Broadway Avenue in Galveston. Alright, I'm gonna go take a little tour out here now that we are on the water. This door is. So the Colonel. So the Colonel's not it's just the Colonel. No, it's Colonel Moody. This is Moody Gardens. So this is named after Colonel Moody. There's a few Moodys. The Moody family is big in Galveston. So this is named after the Colonel of that family, Colonel Moody. So it's just Colonel Riverboat. It is a little brisk up here. Free pineapple juice. There's I-45. Right there. There's Moody Gardens back there. Just taking a nice little cruise. Bunch of seagulls. Here's where we came from. Moody Gardens. Well, the paddles aren't paddling, so I don't really know how we're moving here. It's magic. That's crazy. Okay. That's kind of a rip-off. The gift shop is open. Let's see what we got in here. Coffee mug. $6, not too shabby. Shirts. So small. They was telling me they had some bigger sizes up here. Don't like red so much. Look at that sparkly hoodie. Who doesn't like sparkly hoodies? Look at that. I like that. There's a price tag on here. What's the price on these? It's not. Alright, they didn't have any pens or stickers in there. They did have one pen. It said the Colonel and had the picture of the paddleboat right by the register. And she's like, oh, I don't have a tag for that. I'm sorry. I can't sell that to you. It's not for sale. I'm like, why do you have the pen and you're not going to sell it? That is very disappointing. Bummer. And then it's even worse, they're playing Jimmy Buffett music up here. Ugh. Looks like we're heading back to the pyramids. Still have the Rainforest Pyramid to check out. This is a nice little relaxing boat ride. I'm not mad. It's a really nice day out too. We got off the Colonel Paddleboat. Now we're gonna go to the Rainforest Pyramid. It's gonna be a little sticky in there. It's always warm and humid because it's a rainforest. What is that? All right, this is where you enter the ranger station for the rainforest. It's like a nightmare. Here are the Amazon river otters. Look at them. Oh. They're all hanging out over here. This is their habitat. Whoa. They have a nice big habitat here at Moody Gardens. I love it.
Looks like they're fighting.
All right, this is the treetop trail. And we enter into the rainforest. And you have to be careful because birds will poop on you in here. Thankfully, I've never been pooped on here. I've only been pooped on at the Lincoln Park Zoo in Chicago. You can check that video out. But there's all kinds of critters in here. There's some sloths, there's some sakis, some monkeys, some tamarins. Somewhere in here. There's birds. There's the top of the pyramid. We got a net and some lights. Mom's trying to push poor dad. Don't get it twisted. I've been pushing him a lot today too. So we're taking turns pushing him around.
Thank you for your service, sir. So this is. So right here is our female white-faced saki monkey. We want to make sure that we give her a good 5 to 6 feet of space. As she is free roaming, so she can go wherever she wants. So again, that is our female white-faced saki monkey. Our male saki monkey was hanging out up on the corner of the game. I don't know if he's still up there. He's good now.
The monkey has
He was like, I'm done. Yep, so that's our female white-faced saki monkey. Just make sure we give her a good 5 to 6 feet of space.
So these are the frogs. The frogs have their own habitat. There's some hunting tools from the people of the rainforest. We're now entering the Asia Trail. Took the elevator down. We're at the floor level. We got a duck. We got some more birds, some more ducks over here. There is the vicious Komodo dragon. If they bite you, you will most likely die. They have very, very nasty mouths full of bacteria. Ugh. What is it?
Hadada ibis.
Hadaba ibis. Just chowing down.
These are
Madagascar ibis. Interesting birds. Here is the ocelot. Baboo! There you are, Baboo. I see you. Oh, look at that cat. I'm losing a little focus behind the glass. A little bit. Look at that beautiful creature. Look at all the birds. That's not a flamingo. I don't know what that is. Pink birds, you get the waterfall over there. Lovely.
Oh, I'm digging.
All right, that was our walk through the Rainforest Pyramid. That's pretty much it from here at Moody Gardens. We gotta take this wheelchair back, and I know Dad needs to take a nap. So we're gonna go do all that, but I hope you enjoyed this. This is a non-profit facility. It's on the official American Association of Zoos and Safaris and Aquariums. So it's a legit place, it's publicly owned. So it's fantastic. So if you got an itch to come down to Galveston and check out Moody Gardens, I highly recommend. We didn't think we'd be here as long as we were today, and yet here we are. So it's 3:30. We got here at like what, 10:15, something like that. So they close in 30 minutes. So we're not going to be able to go to the 20,000 leaks thing. We just didn't have time. But we did everything else, and we've had a great day. What do you think, Dad?
Yeah.
Wait, say that again. You enjoyed? Yeah, you enjoyed it, Dad?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
I enjoy being pushed around, too.
Yeah.
Yeah, it'd be.
We got to get him a scooter. This is rough. This is tough work. See by the audience. I think we need to go back the other direction. Ask somebody. Yeah. So. All right. With that all being said, I'd like to.
If I stop here,
Sure. If you haven't done so, give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about us coming down here today. And remember to drink water, listen to metal, enjoy nature, and have the most epic adventures.